Another fine vehicle offered by Hometown Motors.
This is a 2005 Ford F-150. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. Complementing this Ford's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features, which include power windows, cruise control, a CD player, airbags, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 26,000 miles. This truck's powertrain features a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Not to mention that this Ford qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.